Now, let's see example 1, how to simplify the following by rewriting the expression over a common denominator. So you can see here that the question that we have here, you don't have any common denominator yet. So now let's put it into a common denominator. So let's put everything under sine and also cos. Okay, so how to do this? For the first term here, let's multiply with cos theta, both numerator and denominator, and also multiply the second term here with sine theta, both in numerator and also denominator. When we do this, we can express the sums of fractions as a single fraction. Okay, so we just expand all of this term up here. So now, let us further simplify this. You can see that you have a common term here, minus sine cos and also plus sine cos. So, you can just cancel out. So now we will have cos theta plus cot theta sine theta. And down here, the denominator is still the same over sine theta cos theta. So now we can further simplify. Cot here can be written in quotient identity. Cot can be written in terms of cos over sine. So now let's further simplify. Sine and sine here can be cancelled out. And then you are left with cos plus cos. Therefore, cos theta plus cos theta, you'll get 2 cos theta over sine theta cos theta. And finally, you can see the common term, cos theta here, both in numerator and denominator, we can cancel them out. Therefore, your final answer will be 2 over sine theta. So we can just leave our answer like this in terms of 2 over sine theta because the instructions say leave your answer in terms of sine and cosine. So that's it for the first example. Now, let's see for the second example here. We have tangent over secant and rewrite this in terms of sine and cosine. Alright, so now let's open up your tangent. In quotient identity, tangent will be equal to sine over cos. And then, using reciprocal identity, secant will be equal to 1 over cos. So now you can see the common term here, cos and cos. Therefore, let us cancel out. And then you're left with the term of sine theta. So now this is the answer because we have simplified this expression in terms of sine and cosine. Moving on to example 3. For example 3, the question says simplify the following by factoring. Okay, so from here, let's see which one of the expression that we can factor, and then we can leave our answer in terms of sine and cosine. So I think it's very clear that in your denominator, you have a common term there. So the common term is sine theta. Therefore, without further ado, let us factorize it. And let's factorize your denominator. So what is left inside? Inside will be cos theta plus 1. Next, we can focus on our numerator. Because now we have the difference of square. This is cos squared minus 1 squared. We have learned this before that when you have x squared minus y squared, you can further factorize them to be x plus y multiply x minus y. Therefore, let's use the difference of square to further factorize our expression here. So now your x is cos theta and your y is 1. Therefore, let us factorize cos theta plus 1 and cos theta minus 1. The numerator is the same. Then let's see which one we can further simplify. So obviously this is the common term. So let's cancel out and then you're left with the rest. So your answer will be cos theta minus 1 over sine theta. So you know this is the end of your working because you have leave your answer now in terms of sine and cosine.